Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to restore your deleted schemes, renderings, and also panorama. Let's get started. Alright, so if let's say you accidentally deleted your schemes or maybe you would like to restore it back, okay? Here's how you do it. Come to your business center, okay? And then as you can see, recycle bin. Alright, so this is where you restore your schemes, renderings, and also your panorama. Alright, so click onto your scheme. So if let's say this one is the one you would like to restore, just click on restore and then OK. Alright, same goes to your panorama. Okay, if let's say I would like to restore this one, I can just click on restore OK. Alright, and the last one, which is our rendering. Okay, if let's say I would like to restore this perspective, I can always click on restore and then click on OK. Alright, so this is how you restore all your deleted items. Alright, your schemes, panorama, and also your renderings. Good luck trying, guys.